Good morning, everybody. We're going to make a sugar-free blackberry cobbler. That's right. If I don't see right, it's because I got these glasses on. I couldn't find my other ones, and this is my backup pair. So here we go. You want to have 2 cups of regular flour or almond flour. So I have 2 cups of almond flour, 1.5 cups of stevia or your favorite, 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1.5 cups of almond milk, 1/2 cup of butter, 2 cups of blackberries, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. You want to preheat your oven to 450. You want to place the buttered 9 by 13 casserole dish. You want to melt the butter in your casserole dish. You want to mix the dry ingredients with the almond milk, and be careful not to mix it with the butter. What we're going to do is mix it in a bowl, then we're going to pour it into the 9 by 13 dish. Then you want to bake it for 10 minutes at 450, and then you want to reduce it to 350 and continue baking for 20 more minutes. Allow to cool 10 minutes and then cut and serve with whipped cream or ice cream. Sounds good, doesn't it? So let's get started. I'm going to pan you down because you don't need to see me, MAINEiac Grammie Brenda, so you can see what's going on. Let's go. There you have it right there. Make sure I've got all the ingredients here. So, excuse me, we are going to start with the almond flour. And everything will be in the description box below. 2 cups. Right there. 1.5 cups of stevia. 1 teaspoon of salt. I use pink Himalayan salt. 4 teaspoons of baking powder. 1.5 cups of almond milk, but we're not going to use that at the moment. And the butter is in the pan and the blackberries go on top. So what I always like to do is just give it a quick little mix, just to incorporate it a little bit. Oh, we don't want to forget our cinnamon here. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon hiding underneath the bowl. We don't want that, now do we? There. See, good idea to incorporate everything. Switch hands here. Still can't quite use that shoulder arm yet. Getting there, folks. Well, today's very humid outside. I understand we're going to get some thunderstorms. And tomorrow we're supposed to wake up to 66 degrees, but that's not unusual. In Maine, we can get frost the first week of September. Things change quickly in here in Maine. There. Now I'm going to start putting our milk in. Get a piece of paper towel here. Well, just drop something. Guess I'll find out what it is after, won't we? Okay, looks very dark. I hope this lightens up a little. Okay, we're just going to put a little bit of almond milk in. Then we're going to give it a stir. Just like this. This here is a sugar-free blackberry cobbler. Almond flour, stevia for sugar. Hope it comes out. Okay. We have all the milk in. If it was me, I'd probably want to thicken it up a little bit more, but I'm going according to the recipe. Not changing it. It's the first time I've made it. And you will be seeing more diabetic recipes as time goes on. Just like this. Okay. Let me get, these are the blackberries. They were foraged blackberries. Mr. R picked, did a great job. Here's my pan with butter. It says melt on the bottom in the oven, which I did do that. Now it says pour the batter, spread the batter into the hot dish. Okay, and that's what we're going to do. And spread it very carefully. I don't think I've ever seen a cobbler made this way before, but we shall find out what it will be like. It will be a nay or a yay when we are done. Just like this. Has anybody ever made this before? And if so, did you like it? There. Just like that. And now, it says you want to place the berries over the top. Normally, make sure your hands are nice and clean. Normally, I would put flour on these, but where they're going on to the top, I'm not going to worry about it at this point in time. And this is 2 cups. Blackberries smell really good. Maine blackberries right here, folks. Right from the woods. Surprised the bears didn't get at them yet. The bears are out, you know. Well, this is going to give quite a few blackberries on here, isn't it? Look at this. So I'm going to put it in the oven. Like I said, 10 minutes at 450. Turn it down. And we're going to do another 20 minutes at 350. And then we're going to let it set for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to bring you back and show you what it's all about. So there you go. I'll bring you back. Okay, here it is out of the oven. Doesn't it look beautiful? It's a little warm still. I'm gonna just take a little dab of Dooya. Just a little bit. Look at this yummy gooiness. Just like this. This will be my taste of breakfast this morning. Let me move this out of the way. Let me bring you up a little. Hi, I'm back. Okay. I have the cobbler, the Blackberry Cobbler. I'll put a dollop of Cool Whip on. I don't want to hit the bowl. There, look at that. Doesn't that look good? I'll tell you what it tastes like. I'm not used to almond flour. Doesn't taste bad at all. Blackberries taste really good. Look at that. I think I'm gonna eat it all. Tastes really good. Now, Mr. R will be able to eat this. It's got stevia. And it's got, oh, let's see here. I'd forget in my head if it wasn't attached to me. Oops. Thought I heard someone coming up the driveway. It's got almond flour. And that tastes really good. Never really worked with almond flour before. Doesn't taste bad. So, I'll put everything in the description box down below. Please give me thumbs up. Check your bell and see if it's run, because some people aren't getting the notifications. I try to put out a video every day, except for Sunday. And stay safe, keep the faith, keep the hope, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now. Oh, so good.